Okay, so hi everyone. A pleasant day to each and every one of you. Um, let's all now move to our next lesson, which is all about the special products. Okay, so when we talk about special products, it's a mathematical term in which factors are combined to form products. So it's called special because they do not need long solutions. So here are some of the special products that we need to know. So first one is special products involving squares. So under that, we have the distributive law. So if you can see here, uh, a times x plus y, you just distribute the following. So a multiplied to x, then plus, that's plus because this is positive times positive. So then multiply a times y, that's equivalent to ax plus ay. Okay, so next one is the difference of two squares. So we can say that this is a difference of two squares since um, look at this sign here, right? So x squared minus y squared, so that is x plus y and x minus y. Okay, if you can see stuff like this, so that's automatically x squared minus y squared. Okay, for example, 5x plus 2y times 5x minus 2y. So that's equivalent directly to 25x squared minus 4y squared. Okay, so that's the difference of two squares. All right, for square of a sum. Okay, square of a sum. So that's x plus y times x plus y, or simply x plus y then squared. So that's equivalent to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So again, that's the square of a sum. The next one is a square of a difference. So the difference is that this one is plus since that's sum, and this one is minus since this is difference. Okay? Alright, so let's give examples to the following. Let's go with the whiteboard. Alright, okay. So later we will answer that examples. But for now, let's say we have 3. Okay, the first one, the distributive laws. 3 times x plus 6. Alright? So let's say we have this example. So distribute, that is 3x plus 18. Alright, so this is your answer. Okay, how about for the difference of two squares? Okay, so difference of two squares, let's say 2x plus y, as long as they are the same. Okay, but it's just this sign here changes. So yan po yung tinatawag natin na difference of two squares. Alright, so if you see problem like this, so you just simply do 4x squared minus y squared. Alright, so or you can just simply do the FOIL method if you're not comfortable doing this shortcut. No? So if you are going to use the FOIL method, so that's 2x times 2x, that's 4x squared, minus 2xy plus 2xy. So minus 2xy plus 2xy, makancel out sila. That's why yung matitira na lang is 4x squared minus y squared. Okay? Alright, next, the square of a sum. So for example, x plus 5 squared. Okay, actually this is just equivalent to x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. That's why it's called square root of the sum. Okay, so that will be equivalent to x squared plus 2 x times 5 plus 25. Alright, so we can say that this is x squared plus 10x plus 25. Alright, how did we arrive with this answer? So that's the special product square of a sum. But if you are going to do it in mano-mano form or in manual form, so you do it like this, the FOIL method once again. So that's x times x, so that's x squared. X times 5, that's plus 5x. So pag isa-isahin po natin siya, that's x squared plus 5x plus this one na, inner, plus 5x. Okay, plus 5 times 5, that's 25. So 5x plus 5x, that's 10x. So you will arrive at the same answer if you will use the FOIL method. Okay? Alright. And for the square of a difference, let's say you have x minus 5 na naman. So x minus 5 square. Alright. So that is just simply x squared minus, that's 2 times x. Alright. Or gawin muna natin siyang plus, pero this here is negative 5 because that's negative. Okay? Then plus negative 5 squared. And that is equal to x squared minus 10x plus 25. And now this is your final answer. Alright? Or if you are going to once again do it manually using the FOIL method, so you will still arrive at the same answer. Say that's x minus 5, okay, times x minus 5. So gawin natin first. So x times x, that's x squared. Then this one, okay, that's the outer, which is minus, because this is x times negative 5, so that's negative 5x. And this one, negative 5 times x, is still the same, negative 5x. Then negative 5 times negative 5, that is, so ganito, then ganyan, plus 25. So that is now x squared minus 10x plus 25. So this is your answer, and it is the same to this one. Okay, so that is it for the special products involving only squares. Alright, so what if now it's cubes? Hala sir, nag-cubes naman ni siya. So do not worry, still the same. We still need to do the same thing here in special products involving cubes. So for special products involving cubes, let me show you again the PowerPoint presentation. So we have x plus y cube. So that's cube of a sum. So that will be automatically x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. Alright. Then x minus y cubed. So that is x cubed minus. So notice the sign here is minus plus minus. Ganyan po yan pag cube of a difference. And if it is sum of two cubes, so x plus y, so sum of two cubes po siya kasi x cubed and y cubed, then sum niya. That's why it's sum of two cubes. So that is x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared. And then difference of two cubes is x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. So yes, you can just do the same kanina yung sa FOIL method. Alright? Sa ganitong process. So multiply this first. Ito, then this one, then this, this, and this. So I will teach you that by having examples. Okay? So, gawin natin siyang itong cube of a sum. Let's prove that that is correct. So, x plus y cube. Okay, hold on. Ayan. So, erase ko na po ito sa black sa whiteboard. So, blue naman. So, x plus y. Cube po siya. So, meaning 3. So, that is just equivalent to x, right? X plus, pangit ng handwriting. So, x plus y. X plus y. So, tatlong x plus y, right? So, that's the same with x plus y cube. Alright. So, first natin i-multiply is this 2 here. So, FOIL. So, x times x, that's x squared. Plus xy. Plus xy. Plus y squared. Alright. Then, that is just equivalent to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Alright, so the next step that we need to do now is you multiply it with x plus y. So, magiging sum of 2 cubes na po siya. So, magiging x plus y. Alright, sorry, hindi pala siya sum of 2 cubes kasi both, all of them are positive. Okay, my bad. Alright, so once again, we multiply it like this. So, ganito. First, so x cubed plus x squared y. Then, ito, plus 2x squared. Then y, tama? 2xy times x. So, 2x squared y. Then, ito, plus 2x y squared. 2xy times y. That's 2xy squared. Then, ito. So, that is xy squared. Then, the last one is y cubed. So, y squared times y is definitely y cubed. Now, let's combine like terms. So, x squared y, ayun, parehas, right? X squared y and x squared y is same. So, we can say that this is, so that's 1 plus 2. So, x cubed plus 3x squared y. Then 2 plus 1, once again, they are the same, right? So, the same literal coefficients. Plus 3 again, 3xy squared plus y cubed. Now, this is our answer. And so, x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. Let's see if it's the same with our PowerPoint kanina, sa PowerPoint kanina. Oops. What's happening? Ayun. Yeah, sorry. Hey, there you go. So, x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. So, yeah, the same po siya. So, ganun lang pong gagawin natin if mahirapan tayo mag-memorize about special products. Then, you can just simply distribute, no? Para hindi mahirap. Alright? Sige. So, let's have these examples here in the PowerPoint. Just basic examples to solve, and then it's your turn. Then on Wednesday we will have a collaboration, so all of your questions will be catered there. So wag pong mahiya magtanong. Okay, let's answer number 1. Number 1 is an example of all of these which is shown are examples of special products involving square. So this one is a difference of two squares. Okay, so that's s plus 2t times s minus 2t. So, according to what we have learned earlier, that's just equivalent to s squared minus 4t squared. Okay, bakit? So, let's use this one. S times s, that's s squared. S times negative 2t, that's negative 2st. Plus 2st, so makakancel na si 2st. That's why matitira is s squared minus 4t squared. Okay, for number 2. So this is an example of square of a sum. So, ganito yung nangyayari dyan. I1 squared plus 2I1 times 3. So that's 6I1, or let's just do it step by step. Then 3 squared is 9. Okay? Or you can say that's I1 squared plus 6I1 plus 9. Alright. Or if you are confused, you can still you can do it like this. So I1 plus 3 times I1 plus 3 to check. Alright, so I1 times I1 is I1 squared. Tama? Then I1 times 3, that's 3I1. Plus 3I1 again, so this one. Plus 3 times 3 is 9. So 3I1 plus 3I1 is 6I1. So you will still arrive at the same answer. Now for number 3, it's kind of a complex problem or expression, but it's not. Okay, so 3x plus 10y squared. So still it is a square of a sum. So sa square of a sum, just remember x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So ang value natin sa x is 3x. Right? So 3x, so i-square daw natin siya. Alright? So plus 2xy. So 2 times yung x natin is 3x. Yung y natin is 10y. Plus the 10y squared. So 10y, then i-square natin siya. So basically we will have, or we will arrive at 9x squared plus 2 times 3, that's 6, times 10, that's 60, then x and y plus 100y squared. Okay? Alright. Now let's say if you are going to use the FOIL method there. So that's 3x plus 10y squared. So 3x plus 10y. Alright. So first is this one. 3x times 3x, that's 9x squared. Okay. Then this one, 3x times 10y is 30xy. Plus another 30xy. Tama? Let's move. And then, for the last term, which is the last, let's FOIL. So, first out in, then last. So, 10y times 10y, that's 100y squared. So, 30xy plus 30xy, that's 60xy. So, yes, they are the same. So, check, the same. Alright? Okay, so let's go with the last problem, number 4. That's the difference, square of a difference. So, for number 4, 3p minus 4q squared. Ang nangyayari dito is your x is 3p. Tama? So, i-square natin siya. But this one is minus. Alright? Minus 2 times, or guys, you can say plus. Gawin natin plus or minus. Pero gawin natin siyang plus. Ganito ang gagawin natin. So, plus 2 times 3p times yung yung y niya is negative 4q. So, magiging minus yan siya later. That's why ginawa nating minus kanina. Right? So, that's times negative 4q plus negative 4q squared. So, magiging positive pa rin siya. Alright. So, that is equal to 9p squared minus 2 times 3, 6 times 4, that's 24q plus 16q squared. So that is your answer. Alright, and again, if you use the FOIL method, so 3p minus 4q. 3p minus 4q multiplied to 3p minus 4q. Right, let's compare if the answer is the same. Let's erase this thing we see here. Okay, so that's first is this one, right? And then this one. So first is 3p times 3p, that's 9p squared. Then 3p times negative 4q, that's minus 12pq. Okay, alphabetical po yung pag-arrange natin ng variables. Then, this one. So, negative 4q times 3p, that's still negative 12pq. So, hindi po siya mawawala yung 12pq. Magiging negative 12pq minus 12pq, magiging 24 yan siya mamaya. And then, plus. So, 4 times 4. So, negative 4q times negative 4q, that's positive 16q squared. So, mangyayari, magiging ganito pa rin siya. So, yes, the same. 9p squared minus 12pq minus 12pq plus 16q squared. So, if you want to use a FOIL method to make sure your answer is correct, that's good as well. So, I think that's it for today's lesson. I hope you have understood what I was discussing. And for your activity, once again, you are going to answer this from numbers 1 to 7. The deadline will be posted in Blackboard to further for further notice. I will also message you on our group chat. Okay, para maisa na lang. So, thank you guys for listening. I hope you have learned something from me today. Goodbye.